Welcome back to Cheap Horsepower, and this thing is going to be a great little project. I got it for $150. Now, let's go through everything it needs. So, right now, as you can probably see, it needs a carburetor. I went through it. Definitely needs a coil because these wires go right to the coil. Yellow and green, sometimes they're yellow and black. Actually, this is yellow and black, as you can see. Aha, and green. So I know that goes to the coil. It's missing one. I have one. I'm going to put that on. It is a bad tube in the rear. I already checked it. Put an air hose on this puppy and see if it holds air. If it doesn't hold air, 9 times out of 10, it's a tube in this. I have one. This one's holding air. So tube and tire are good. Tread's good. All that's good. I can shave this down, make it look better, paint it black. That's probably what I'm going to end up doing. I can even use this to my advantage to make it look kind of like a bed liner. That little bit of rust, it'll look nice. Metal tank needs a couple screws. I have a couple screws. Here, seat. It's kind of rough. I'm going through this quickly, as you can tell. So I'm going to either refinish this seat, kind of tighten everything up. I've got a couple staples I can run through it, or I just get a new seat and plastics for like $40-50. I'm most likely going to recycle some of this to maximize my profit. Since I got it for $150, I'm going to go ahead and resell this. I can get as much as $500, but realistically it's probably going to be in the $350 to $450 range. But that's still really, really good. Everything else looks like it's there and working. So I will give you updates on the next video. These are all the parts that we need. So this is the throttle, cable, and all that. This right here is this lovely broken Brake Master Cylinder's new cousin. This thing is going to go right back there in that tire. This thing is going to go right there where that carb is missing. This used coil, which I had laying around, is going to get tied into these beautiful wires and start this motor up. Let's get to work. He is running. Oh man, check this out. You ready? Look at how beautiful this thing looks. This is like a little pit scrambler. I mean, it looks so good. It runs so good. The motor was in better shape than I thought. I already did an oil change, so it's all right now. And man, it rides so good. Even with this strap on, like it's comfortable. You know, it's got plenty of squish to the suspension. Ended up doing the small circle for the numbers. It gives it that old school look, especially when you step back for a second. It just looks so good. It looks so nice the way it is. And the header wrap goes along with that theme of the Scrambler. So it's just so cool. And last but not least, let's see how this bad boy rides.